Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable Login Challenge in Google Workspace. This is a crucial security feature that adds an extra layer of protection to your organization's accounts by requiring additional verification during the sign-in process. First, you'll need to open a web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. This is where you'll access all the administrative controls for your Google Workspace environment. Once you're on the page, sign in using your Google Workspace administrator account. Make sure you're using credentials that have full admin privileges, as you'll need these permissions to modify security settings. After signing in, you'll land on the Admin Console homepage. From here, look for the Security option and click on it. This section houses all the tools you need to protect your organization's data and user accounts. Security settings are essential for maintaining the integrity of your workspace, so it's important to configure them properly. In the left navigation panel, you'll see several security-related options. Click on Authentication. This area specifically deals with how users verify their identity when accessing your organization's resources. Authentication controls are fundamental to preventing unauthorized access. Next, click on Login Challenges. This is where you can configure the specific verification methods that will be required during the login process. At the top of this page, you'll notice an organizational unit selector. Click on it and choose the top-level unit, which is often labeled as the root or your department name. Selecting the right organizational unit ensures that your settings apply to the intended group of users. You'll now see two options displayed: Post-SSO Verification and Login Challenges. Hover your cursor over the Login Challenges option, and you'll notice an edit or pen icon appear. Click on this icon to access the configuration settings. In the Settings panel that opens, toggle on the option that says Use Employee ID to keep my users more secure. This feature adds an extra verification step by requiring users to provide their employee ID during login, significantly reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Finally, click Save to apply your login challenge settings. This ensures that the new security measure is activated across your selected organizational unit. Thanks for watching.